Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you people are fine, and it's a lesson number 1 of science, and our today's topic is unit number 8. So dear students, before we begin our today's lesson, we need to have a material like lead pencil, eraser, highlighter, ruler, notebook, blue pointer and blue pen. So dear students, today our topic is unit number 8, transmission of heat, and in this unit we will discuss today heat, conductors and insulators, conduction and applications of conduction. Learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to explain the flow of heat, explain the difference between conductors and insulator, and also explain conduction and applications of conduction. So dear students, today's our first topic is heat. Now the question is that what is heat? So dear students, heat is the amount of energy that flows from a hotter object to a colder object. मीन्स हीट एनर्जी की एक ऐसी अमाउंट है कि जो हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट से कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट में डिलीवर हो जाती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज हीटेड इट्स मॉलिक्यूल्स गेन एनर्जी. लाइक अगर हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को हीटअप करते हैं तो देन क्या होता है कि उसके जो मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं वो एनर्जी को गेन कर लेते हैं एंड स्टार्ट मूविंग फास्टर, और तेजी के साथ वो उसके अंदर मूव करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. As they vibrate, they bump into each other at a faster rate and push the particles in front of them. As this movement continues, heat travels from one end of the object to the other. So, we can say that the greater the temperature difference, the greater will be the flow of heat. मीन्स कि हम ये टेम्परेचर पर डिपेंड करता है कि जितना ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर होगा उतनी ही ज़्यादा हीट के जो पार्टिकल्स हैं उनमें मूवमेंट शो होगी फ्रॉम द हॉटर ऑब्जेक्ट टू अ कोल्डर ऑब्जेक्ट. Well, students, here is an interesting topic for you, which is a difference between conductors and insulators. Now the question is that what are conductors and what are insulators? So dear students, conductors are data material that allows the energy to pass through it. Means conductors ऐसा मटेरियल होता है कि जो अपने अंदर से हीट को इजीली पास आउट कर सकता है, उन्हें हम कंडक्टर्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, सी वाटर एंड कॉपर आर अ गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट. Meanwhile, insulators doesn't allow the heat energy to pass through it. Means insulators ऐसे materials हैं जो अपने अंदर से एनर्जी या हीट को पास आउट नहीं होने देते. Like glass, rubber, plastic and oil, these all are a poor conductors of heat. Dear students, there are different methods of heat transfer. So here the first method is conduction. Heat can travel through solid by conduction. Means कि solid के through अगर हम heat को pass out करना चाहते हैं तो हम conduction method को use करेंगे. Liquids and gases are poor conductors of heat because their particles are far apart from each other. Like in a solid, particles move around its fixed shape, and in a liquid, particles are free to move around faster and change position easily. And in a gases, particles move very quickly and are free to move in any directions. And here there is an applications of conductions. Cooking pots and pans are made of metals so that heat from the stove fire is quickly conducted to the food being cooked in them. Firefighters wear specially designed cloths made of an insulating materials called fiberglass. So dear students, now it's time for your notebook work. So get ready for your today's task. So all of you prepare your title page. Like firstly write unit number 8. Then write their name, transmission of heat. Then write the topic content. And then write the content like this. After that, on a blank page, you have to draw a diagram like this. Okay, now students, firstly write today's task at the center. Then write day and date on this page and also draw the margin line. Then write the topic, chapter number 8, transmission of heat. Then write the caption, answer these questions. And here the question number 1 is, define heat. So dear students, answer is, heat is the amount of energy that flows from a hotter object to a colder object. मीन्स हीट एनर्जी की एक अमाउंट होती है जो होटर ऑब्जेक्ट से कॉल्डर ऑब्जेक्ट में फ्लो हो जाती है. नाउ मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. हाउ डज हीट ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन एंड ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट टू अनदर एंड ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. आंसर इज, व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज हीटेड, कि जब हम ऑब्जेक्ट को हीटअप करते हैं, इट्स मॉलिक्यूल्स गेन एनर्जी एंड स्टार्ट मूविंग फास्टर. As they vibrate, they bump into each other at a faster rate and push the particles in front of them. As this movement continues, heat travels from one end of the object to the other. So dear students, now write the question number 3. Differentiate between conductors and insulator with examples. And you have to write the answer like this. At the one side, write the conductor's definition, and on the other side, you have to write down the insulator's definition. So firstly is conductors. Materials that allow heat to travel easily through them are called conductors. For examples, iron, steel, and copper. And insulators. Materials that do not allow heat to travel easily through them are called insulators. For examples, rubber, wood, and plastic. So dear students, now write the question number 4. Why liquids and gases are bad conductor of heat? Answer is, liquids and gases are bad conductors of heat because their particles are far apart from each other. क्योंकि इसके जो particles होते हैं वो एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर होते हैं. And when heated, जब हम इसको heat up करते हैं तो then their vibrating molecules do not collide. तो इनके जो मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ कोलाइड नहीं कर पाती हैं. एंड सो ऑफन विद द नेबरिंग पार्टिकल्स, देयरफॉर हीट ट्रांसफर टेक्स प्लेस वेरी स्लोली. दैट्स व्हाई लिक्विड्स एंड गैसेस आर बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट. नाउ राइट द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट इज कंडक्शन? सो द आंसर इज, heat transfer through solid by the vibration of molecules is called conduction. For example, ice cooling down your hands. So dear all the students, you all will be write down answer these questions on your science notebook with neat handwriting. So now it's time for your today's task, and in this task what you have to do? So firstly prepare the title page of chapter number 8. Then learn and write question number 1 till 5 of unit number 8 on your notebook. So dear students, I hope today's lesson was helpful for you and you all have understood all the points carefully. So take care of yourself. See you soon, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.